Hello, I'm Dr. Jodie Ann Senior, a cardiologist specialising in heart failure. On this channel, I will explain how the heart works, why heart disease develops, and what you can do to protect it. So, some of you know that I just went to Sydney to a conference combining specialties of heart, kidney, and hormones. Why would we put these specialists in the same room? Aren't these organs and all concepts separate? Actually, the interactions between our specialties might be forming the next major health crisis. So before I tell you the most important things that I learned at that meeting affecting us today, I want to talk you through one of the most important concepts in modern cardiology. It's what I like to call the triple threat in heart failure. The powerful connection between the heart, the kidneys, and metabolic health. Most people think of heart failure as a problem of the heart alone, but in reality, heart failure is usually a system disease. 3 major body systems become tightly linked: the heart, the kidneys, and the metabolic system, which includes things like diabetes, obesity, and insulin resistance. These are things to do with hormones. When these 3 systems start affecting each other, they can create a vicious cycle that drives heart failure progression. So understanding this connection helps explain why heart failure gets worse, why kidney problems are so common in heart failure, and why some of the newest treatments will work so well. The easiest way to understand this is to imagine a triangle. At one corner is the heart, at another corner are the kidneys, and at the third corner is metabolic health. Each corner of this triangle influences the other 2. If one corner starts to fail, the other 2 start to struggle as well. This is why heart failure is rarely just a heart problem. It becomes a heart, kidney, and metabolic disease. Let's start with the heart. When the heart becomes weak or stiff, it cannot pump blood efficiently and effectively around the body. And that means organs receive less blood flow and less oxygen. One of the organs most sensitive to this is the kidney. Kidneys are constantly monitoring blood flow and blood pressure. If blood flow drops, the kidneys interpret this as a threat to survival, almost as if the body were becoming dehydrated. So the kidneys activate powerful hormonal systems designed to protect blood pressure and circulation. The kidneys respond by activating systems like the renin-angiotensin system, the sympathetic nervous system, and mechanisms that retain salt and water. These systems are helpful if you're bleeding or dehydrated, but in heart failure, they can actually make things worse. The body begins to retain fluid, increase blood pressure, increase the workload on the heart. So the kidney, which is trying to help, ends up placing more strain on a failing heart. Now we come to the third corner of the triangle, metabolic health. This includes conditions like diabetes, obesity, insulin resistance, metabolic syndrome. These conditions create chronic inflammation in the body. They affect the lining of blood vessels. They change how the heart uses energy, and they can damage both the heart, muscle, and the kidneys. So metabolic disease doesn't just increase the risk of heart disease, it actually accelerates the heart-kidney cycle. Once these 3 systems become linked, a feedback loop develops. For example, diabetes damages the kidneys. Damaged kidneys retain fluid and activate hormones that increase strain on the heart. A struggling heart reduces blood flow to the kidneys, which worsens the kidney function even further, and the cycle continues. This is why doctors now refer to this as the cardio-kidney metabolic connection, or CKM syndrome. Understanding this triangle has completely changed how we treat heart failure. In the past, treatments focused mainly on the heart itself. But now we recognise that protecting the kidneys and improving metabolic health is just as important. Some of the most exciting new therapies work because they target multiple parts of this system at the same time. One example is a group of medications called SGLT2 inhibitors. These drugs were originally developed to treat diabetes, but researchers discovered something remarkable. They reduce heart failure hospitalization, slow kidney disease, and improve metabolic health. In other words, they act on all three corners of the triangle. That is why they have now become one of the most important new treatments in heart failure. The key message is this: heart failure is rarely just a heart problem. It is usually a heart-kidney metabolic disease. And understanding this connection is helping doctors develop new treatments that protect all three systems together. If you found this explanation helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Understanding how the heart works is one of the most powerful tools that you have to protect it. And I'll see you in the next video where I talk about the newest perspectives in heart failure management and how they will potentially affect you.